So welcome to Programming Academy channel. And today, guys, I want to show you how to create your simple dashboard or your simple data analytics project. So how to get started and how to do it. And let's get started. I'm going to show you how to do it. Today, guys, here is a Power BI artificial intelligence platform that you are going to create your first dashboard from here. Or you have any website that you want to connect it to in this dashboard, and then to see your website performance, you are going to analyze your website's data you are going to build here. This screen here, all your projects going to be done here. So it's meaning you are going to build your website, your dashboard here. How to get your data? So guys, you here on the left side you have a get data. So here you are going to find all the data. And also, guys, here get data from any resource. So there is so many platforms here. You see, you are going to connect or you are going to get your data. So you have a in IMP or you are SQL Server or Excel database and SharePoint folder or PDF or folder, JSON, Excel or text or CSV, any website or any data that you are going to connect it here in CSV files, and then you are going to analyze that, meaning you are going to build here. And also Amazon Redshift. So many here. You have just giving you very simple websites. So you have guys Facebook page, or you have a YouTube channel, or you have any websites that from Google or your e-commerce websites, so that you want to connect it your websites into Power BI, and then you are going to analyze, or you are going to see how it's your website performance, right? How to do that? You see here web, so that you just get your data from your website's link, and then to connect it here, and then you are going to build your dashboard, and then you are going to see how your website's performance, where exactly it's so ranking, and then where it's not not ranking your website. You're going to see everything. So that's meaning here from web. So this is guys, I just want to show you how to get to start, and then Spark, you see here Python script, or you see too many things. I just go to download a simple website or simple data to just here, come to guys here from right side, get simple data from here, do the data. So just wait until your data is uploaded. Here you see financial, and then also text one, you see here this is and then guys here you see transform data. How to transform data? You can go to here right side like this to see before you upload it, to check that your data how it's look inside, if there's any error or there's anything you want to make a change. So you are going to, before you upload, right? So this is the meaning how to clean your data, right? How to cleaning your data before you go to upload, right? So how to make a change? So you are going to make a change to go to transform here. So you guys here transform, and then you just wait, they'll give you another screen, and you just wait here until going to look guys. So from here your guys just going to right click, and then to change anything that you don't want to, this uh, line or this row here, so you're going to delete. So that's the meaning how to data cleaning. Okay, so and if you make anything change, it will be going to be showing you here. But in this data I don't want to make any change. And yes, you see here, if you make any change, it's going to be show you here replace. Okay, it will show you on this side here, but I'm not going to make any change. So that's the meaning how to use data transform. Okay, and how to change or how to cleaning your data. So that's the meaning how to guys to change. Okay, uh So we are going to cross, we are going to apply. So because we almost make a change, because that meaning if we make any change, that you have to going to be apply change. So that's your data is going to be, uploaded, right? So that's it. So now it's complete. See here, it's, uploads, and now we are going to just get any, column from here, and then we're going to build our symbol, chart. See here, we have a more simple chart, and let's go to in y-axis, our x-axis, try to get in, let's to put in a legend, let's put in the cells, country, let's go to the x date, let's put on y-axis, on product on profit. Okay, let's do use something else here. Okay, and unit sold on product on the multiple. Okay, you see guys how it's look. Because we want to build a simple chart. Let's see how it's look. So how it's look on the chart, line chart, and we're using map, and you can see North America, the most of the data it's come from North America, and you can make it big, and you can see how it's look guys, you see here. So how to analyze your dashboard or your financial. So this is most of the sales from the North America. You see here guys how to look, tell us exactly. You see country Canada, you see here Canada. So you see the most of the sales in from okay, United States, uh, Canada. So this is the year of 2017. This is a data is very old, and you see here. So this is the way, guys, that you are going to build your dashboard. How to start to build your first or your simple dashboard, right? I'm just going to show you that you are going to build your simple dashboard. Okay, so let's go to get a. Okay, let's to get a profit on the unit for sale on date. So we don't have to remove this one. Look guys how this dashboard is look. So look, we have the dates, see here, and we have the sales, and we have a unit sum of profit, the unit of sum. So this is the way that guys you are going to understanding and how uh, and you are going to change to come here. So we don't need to legend. If you don't need to legend, guys, look. If you don't need to legend, so it's meaning how to build the legend, and then details. See guys, that's the meaning how to analyze your data. Look, I'm going to show you in this project and just today showing you how to start to analyze, right? Just showing you what we are going to start to build our real dashboard. Okay, step by step you are going to learning. So today in this tutorial just you know how to upload and how to cleaning your data and how to get to start to build your dashboard, right? So I'm looking forward to start to show you in my next project. Bye for now.